So I've heard a lot of horror stories from my friends and colleagues who stay on that side of the city, who commute on the Western Express Highway, and I've heard them ranting for hours. Like they purposely stay late just so that they don't get traffic on their way back home, and that's a little bit sad. And it makes me wonder what is the reason for Western Express to have more traffic, more congestion than the Eastern Express Highway.
I think it is just very haphazardly built.
Okay.
If you've ever frequented the Western Express Highway, it looks like one of those things where some government official was like, we need a road here, and they're like, theek hai, bana de. It's one of those places. There are wide 4-lane roads that that merge into a bottleneck and suddenly becomes a 2-lane, and for no reason there will be a dumper that has stalled in front of RA all the bloody time.
Yes. I think there are lots of vehicles that get stalled on the west end. Even the vehicles are like, अरे बाढ़ में जाए आज नहीं चलना.
Possibly. But when you compare the Western Express Highway to the Eastern Express Highway, for a change I can maintain speeds in double digits.
Yeah.
I think that is a big plus. It's pretty, at least for our commute, we head up right up to the JVLA intersection on Pabai. I think it's all pretty good up to that point.
Yeah.
After which it does start going south.
Yeah. So I think
or going west. Let's just talk about how traffic behavior as a whole has either improved in some places or gone to the dogs.
Okay.
The traffic behavior as a whole, when I'd really like to think that it's gone up slightly, because, for example, the rickshaws don't really occupy the fast lane these days, which is pretty nice to know. You get in the fast lane, you have cars that can actually maintain a proper speed.
Yes.
Then I've figured out people's egos have shot up for some very weird reason. If you've noticed, there's the number of times when someone who's stuck behind you in traffic will honk for no reason.
Yeah.
I mean, it just happened yesterday. The bus in front of me moved, I kid you not, by a couple of inches, and the Honda guy behind me decided to honk his guts out. And I was like, dude, he's moved like 2 inches.
Okay.
So it doesn't really make sense. I mean, not even Rajpal Yadav could pass through, but for some apparent reason he wanted me to get into that gap.
Okay.
Other than that, what I've noticed is, and this is extremely good, and you need to give Mumbai credit for this, people have started giving way to ambulances.
Oh yes, I did observe it. In the past 2 days I've been seeing that, and the moment you listen to a siren, they'll straight away pull to the left. And
So I think
Mumbai. Good job Mumbai.
So
Doing really well.
credit where it's due. Just keep your overinflated egos in check, or just stop visiting Delhi. You'll be good.
Oh, fuck, you've been bashing Delhi for no apparent reason, man.
I like Delhi. I like it so much that I wanted to leave immediately when I landed there.
Okay.
So I did leave immediately, but I went to Gurgaon for some apparent reason. It's
Okay.
not good.
Okay, that's good. So, talking about something other that really flips me off is bikers in the fast lane. Bikers and especially Activas doing 40 in the fast lane. Like
Aunties on Activas doing 20 in the fast lane.
Okay.
That should rhyme. Auntie on Activa.
No, it does not. No, it's just in your head.
But yeah, dear aunties with those white gloves that don't really give you a good grip. Why do you wear those gloves?
To keep the nail polish intact.
So that they can scratch their husbands later.
Oh, I won't comment on that.
God, feminists are going to get us, man. Sorry. But yeah, I'm pretty sure, if you need to see women dressed, completely covering their face, covering their arms.
In the wrong direction, but
You really need to go to Pune.
okay.
And
Pune has got lots of bikers.
bad bikers.
Yeah, bad bikers for sure. So I've heard tales from friends who they've said that every time they take their cars to Pune, it comes back with a scratch. Like it's guaranteed. Go to Pune, get a scratch free.
I took this car to Pune.
Fuck, I need to check if it's scratched now. Okay.
But speaking of bikers in the fast lane, there are, you know, you need to give credit to people who are actually suited up when even when they're going to, even for their office gear, for their office commute. But then you do see idiots, you know.
Oh, they're called squids.
Are they?
Yeah, I learned this from other vloggers. They're called squids. And
So-
they ride like maniacs.
So apparently, without their helmets in the fast lane,
zipping across.
zipping
traffic.
across. More often than not, they have a very, very, very scared passenger with them, and who's
Holding
like,
on for dear life.
what choice does he have? He can't be like, I fuck it, bitch, and मैं जा रहा हूँ. He can't do that. So
I'm making a controversial video now.
it's okay. We'll send it to Scoop Whoop.
Okay.
What these two brothers say on camera will blow your mind. But yeah, surprisingly empty roads and squids. Yeah, I learned that.
Yeah. Nice. So I think that should be about it for now.
Yeah, so traffic and
Roads.
and surprisingly empty roads today.
You know, if there's more stuff you would want us to talk about, just put it down in the comment section and we'll think on it.
Yeah, I think this is going to be like a weekly feature, possibly.
Maybe.
That we rant on camera weekly. If there's anything that you want, as Aditya said, if there's anything you want us to rant about, drop that in the comment section below. You can always subscribe to the channel, and I think that's about it.
Yep. See you next time. Bye.
That was good.
Just tell me it's a recording and it's not a photo.
What happened?
क्या हुआ?
Okay, वो off के इसके लिए हो गया क्या?